Hi guys, in today's video I am showing you how can you create prompt using Leonardo AI. The process will be quite simple and easy. So watch the video till the very end so you don't miss any step. So we are at the homepage of Leonardo, and from here you will see different option, image generation, or real-time canvas, canvas editor, motion or real-time generation. From here you have to tap on this option, image generation. If you will not find this option here, then you can take a look here. This is the same option, image generation. So tap on one of these, and we are in the section of image generation. And how can you generate image here? You have to write about your image, what kind of image you want to create by Leonardo. Like I am writing about my image, a boy lost in the jungle. So I will create a prompt by writing this, before tapping on the option generate. Here you will see the option, number of images means how many images you want to create. If you tap on the option 1, then it will generate 1 image. If you tap on the option 2, it will generate 2. Tap on this one, and from here you have to select this option, absolute reality. When you will select this option, absolute reality, then Leonardo will create realistic prompt. So after selecting this, here you have to write on the last, hyper realistic. So the Leonardo will create more realistic prompt. Now on the last tap on option generate now, the Leonardo has start processing. And we have to wait until the processing will be completed by Leonardo. So you see the Leonardo has created 2 images because we selected 2 image, and you can see the quality of the picture. These look insane. Now, I'm closing this one. If you are not satisfied with the quality, then regenerate the prompt by tapping on generate now. Now, I'll try to generate this picture again by adding some new things. A boy lost in a jungle with his dog. After adding something new, I am tapping on this option generate now. So you see the Leonardo has generated this picture again, and we add a dog in this picture. So you see, by using this method you can create a prompt by using Leonardo AI.